Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the world of power and precision with the top 10 power pressure washers on Amazon. Whether you're tackling tough stains, cleaning outdoor furniture, or prepping your home for a fresh coat of paint, these power washers have you covered. Let's jump right in. Number 1. The Westinghouse PX3100 electric pressure washer offers an impressive 2,300 max PSI at initial discharge, delivering exceptional deep cleaning power with a water flow rate of up to 1.76 GPM without a nozzle at minimum pressure. This versatile pressure washer features a pro-style steel extendable 17.5-inch wand and quick connect nozzles, including 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, turbo, and soap applicator options for tailored cleaning performance. Designed with user convenience in mind, the PX3100 is compact and lightweight, standing just 16.5 inches tall and weighing 19 pounds. Its portability is enhanced by 4 quick-lock wheels with a 360-degree steering design and a low center of gravity, ensuring stability and an anti-tipping structure. The unit includes a 25-foot nylon-braided hose that is easy to coil for hassle-free storage and use. An onboard 20-ounce, 600 milliliters soap tank allows users to add detergents or chemicals, making it ideal for heavy-duty cleaning tasks such as decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. To promote durability and efficiency, the pump automatically shuts off when the trigger is not engaged, conserving energy and extending the life of the pump and motor. The Westinghouse PX3100 is a reliable and efficient tool for a wide range of cleaning needs, offering superior performance and convenience. Number 2. The Powerite electric pressure washer generates up to 4,800 psi of water pressure and 2.8 GPM of water flow, making it capable of tackling even the most stubborn grime with ease. Its NCOR pump is durable, non-corrosive, and maintenance-free, ensuring long-lasting performance and reliability. The product also comes with a 3-year warranty for peace of mind. The included snow foam lance directly sprays foam, protecting the pump from exposure to cleansers and extending its lifespan. This allows using chemicals such as bleach or vinegar, while the thicker and denser foam clings to surfaces longer, improving cleaning performance. For universal tips, provide versatile cleaning options. The 0 degrees tip delivers super high pressure for dissolving stubborn substances on hard surfaces. The 15 degrees tip is ideal for high pressure cleaning on concrete and brick. The 25 degrees tip offers medium pressure, suitable for wood decks and vinyl siding. The 40 degrees tip delivers low pressure, perfect for windows and screens with fragile surfaces. Effortless assembly ensures you can start using the washer within minutes. Additionally, the Powerite electric pressure washer can draw water directly from a container if no water tap is available, with a 3/4-inch garden hose connector. This pressure washer is a highly versatile and powerful cleaning solution for various surfaces and tasks. Number 3. The Sunj PX3000 electric pressure washer features a 14.5 ampere 1800 watt motor that delivers 2,030 psi and 1.2 GPM, making it ideal for cleaning homes, vehicles, decks, and more. It comes with 5 quick connect spray tips, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, and soap to adjust the spray for various tasks. Built with superior quality, it includes a 34-inch stainless steel lance with solid brass fittings and a heavy-duty, 20-foot high-pressure hose designed to prevent leaks and minimize pressure drops. The washer is equipped with 2 onboard detergent tanks for convenient storage of different cleaning solutions, enhancing its versatility. Weighing only 24.3 pounds and featuring rear wheels, it is lightweight and portable. The total stop system technology conserves energy and prolongs the pump's lifespan by automatically shutting off when the trigger is not engaged. Accessories include a 34-inch extension wand, a 20-foot high-pressure hose, a 35-foot power cord with GFCI protection, a garden hose adapter, 5 quick connect spray tips, and a needle clean-out tool, making this pressure washer a reliable and efficient cleaning solution. Number 4. The Geen Portable Power Washer delivers impressive cleaning performance with its 14.5 ampere 1800 watt motor, producing up to 3,800 psi and 2.4 GPM. This high power ensures efficient cleaning over larger areas and quickly tackles even the deepest dirt. Featuring a 400 milliliters adjustable soap tank, it allows instant foam application with customizable density, ensuring a thorough cleaning with thicker, longer-lasting foam. The washer includes 4 quick pressure tips: 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, providing options for various cleaning needs, from stubborn stains and asphalt to decks and outdoor furniture. Equipped with 3 water suction methods, it can draw water directly from a faucet, bucket, or pool, making it adaptable to different cleaning environments. With a 23-foot outlet hose and a 6.6-foot inlet hose, the washer ensures convenient usage anywhere. Safety is prioritized with a leakage protection plug, and its lightweight, portable design allows for easy movement. Suitable for tasks such as cleaning cars, driveways, sidewalks, fences, and windows, the Geen Portable Power Washer is a versatile and reliable tool for a wide range of cleaning applications. Number 5. The Fantic NB8 Flip Portable Pressure Washer Gun offers convenience and versatility with its ultra-compact, foldable handle design, making it easy to carry and perfect for cleaning two-wheel vehicles, camping gear, and outdoor equipment. Its cordless design is powered by a 2.5 lithium battery, providing 13 to 30 minutes of runtime on a single charge. Equipped with Type-C charging, it ensures hassle-free operation wherever needed. This pressure washer features 3 adjustable cleaning modes, allowing pressure settings from 100 to 174 psi and flow rates between 0.48 and 0.66 GPM. The flexibility makes it ideal for a range of tasks, from light cleaning to more demanding outdoor activities. The 5-in-1 spray nozzle offers 5 adjustable angles, easily switched by twisting the nozzle, enabling precise control and customization of pressure and flow. Additionally, the Fantic NB8 Flip includes a handy soap dispenser, a mesh storage bag, a 2-meter hose, and a 5-in-1 nozzle, making it a reliable companion for outdoor activities like camping and bike cleaning. Portable and efficient, it delivers a seamless cleaning experience in a lightweight, user-friendly design. Number 6. The Fiao electric pressure washer delivers a powerful 4,800 psi water pressure and 3.1 GPM flow rate, powered by an upgraded 1,600-watt motor. This design ensures stable and efficient cleaning performance, making it ideal for tackling old stains on patios or deep dirt on siding and vehicles effortlessly and quickly. Equipped with multiple safety features, it includes a total stop system that automatically shuts off the motor when the trigger is released, extending equipment life and conserving energy. A safety lock prevents unauthorized use, minimizing risks of accidental operation for a worry-free experience. The washer offers full coverage with a 20-foot hose and a 35-foot power cord, allowing you to clean hard-to-reach areas with ease. It comes with 4 nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, and the soap box, providing adjustable spray patterns to suit various cleaning tasks. Designed for convenience, it features an all-in-one storage solution with dedicated spaces for attachments, ensuring everything is organized and ready to use. Rugged wheels make it easy to maneuver across different surfaces, enhancing efficiency and reducing effort during cleaning. Number 7. The LWQ electric pressure washer offers powerful cleaning with a maximum water pressure of 4,200 psi and a flow rate of 2.5 GPM. This combination ensures high cleaning efficiency while saving water and energy, making it ideal for various surfaces such as driveways, patio furniture, cars, and more. Equipped with 4 quick-connect metal spray nozzles, 0 degrees, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and 40 degrees, the washer provides different pressure strengths for multiple cleaning tasks. The included foam cannon can be used with detergents like bleach, with the design ensuring the detergent doesn't pass through the pump, protecting the machine. The washer features a 23-foot hose and a 36-foot power cord, offering plenty of reach for easy movement. Its 2 rollers ensure smooth transportation, and the anti-tipping design adds stability when stationary. The washer can draw water from both a faucet or a bucket for added convenience. For easy storage, the pressure washer has a power cord hook and nozzle holder. Its compact design allows for efficient storage in a garage or pantry. The high-pressure flow not only saves water, but is also considered an eco-friendly cleaning solution, making it both economical and effective. It is perfect for a variety of cleaning tasks around your home. Number 8. The Westinghouse PX3100 electric pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning with a maximum water pressure of 2,100 psi and a flow rate of up to 1.76 GPM. This combination ensures effective cleaning for a variety of surfaces, including decks, driveways, garage floors, stairs, fencing, patio furniture, and vehicles. It comes with a pro-style steel extendable wand that reaches 17.5 inches, along with 3 quick connect nozzles, 15 degrees, 25 degrees, and turbo, for different cleaning applications. The wand's versatility makes it ideal for tackling various cleaning tasks, from light to heavy-duty jobs. Weighing only 18 pounds, the EPX3100 is super compact and lightweight, making it easy to store and transport. Its built-in handle allows for convenient carrying to wherever cleaning tasks are needed. The 20 feet easy-coil nylon-braided hose ensures flexibility and ease of movement while you work. The detachable foam cannon allows you to add detergents or chemicals, enhancing cleaning power for tougher jobs. The pressure washer's pump automatically stops when the trigger is not engaged, conserving energy and promoting longer pump and motor life. This feature ensures both efficiency and longevity in every use, making the Westinghouse PX3100 an excellent choice for your cleaning needs. Number 9. The Karcher K1700 electric pressure washer delivers powerful cleaning performance with a maximum pressure of 2,125 psi, driven by a reliable universal motor. This pressure washer ensures efficient and effective cleaning results for a variety of surfaces around your home. It includes a quick connect steel wand with 3 spray nozzles, a 15 degrees nozzle for all-around cleaning, a turbo nozzle for superior cleaning power on tough surfaces, and a 65 degrees nozzle for detergent application, making it versatile for different cleaning tasks. The washer is equipped with a 20-foot kink-resistant high-pressure hose, providing flexibility and reach for various cleaning jobs. It also features a removable storage container for storing your hose and accessories, helping you stay organized. The built-in on and off foot switch adds convenience, allowing you to easily control power without bending down. For added convenience, the Karcher K1700 has an onboard 0.5-gallon removable detergent tank, making it easy to apply soap to your surfaces. It's compatible with most universal 1/4-inch quick connect pressure washer accessories, offering even more flexibility for your cleaning needs. The K1700 is a reliable and efficient tool for tackling tough outdoor cleaning tasks with ease. Number 10. The AIPOWER APW2000E electric pressure washer is powered by a CETL-certified universal motor, delivering impressive cleaning power with a pressure of 2,000 psi and a flow rate of 1.2 GPM. This ensures efficient and safe operation for various cleaning tasks. The pressure washer is equipped with a high-quality axial cam pump, known for its durability and a lifespan of up to 100 hours. The pump is also enhanced with auto shut-off technology, helping to prolong its operational life and ensure reliable performance. For versatile cleaning, the AIPOWER APW2000E includes 5 spray nozzle tips, 0 degrees, 25 degrees, 40 degrees, soap, and turbo, providing customizable options for different surfaces and cleaning tasks. The 0.6-gallon onboard soap tank makes it easy to apply detergent, enhancing cleaning power. With a 25-foot kink-free pressure hose and a 35-foot power cord featuring a GFC eye-plug, this pressure washer offers excellent maneuverability and ample reach for various outdoor cleaning tasks. The long power cord also adds an extra layer of safety by preventing electrical hazards. The AIPOWER APW2000E is a reliable and efficient tool, designed to handle both residential and light-duty outdoor cleaning needs with ease.